हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर शिल्पा गोयल है। आई वर्क एज अ कैटरैक्ट सर्जन एट माय सेंटर विजन प्लस आई क्लिनिक लोकेटेड इन सेक्टर 82 इन गुड़गांव। सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच इज deciding about the lens that we have to use during a cataract surgery. So as we all know, the cataract that develops with age leads to the cloudiness of a natural lens. This is the lens that we have in our eye. So it's usually transparent since birth, and by age it starts getting losing its transparency and becomes cloudy like this, which is called as cataract. So at this stage we usually advise you a cataract surgery in which we take out your natural lens and implant with an artificial lens, जिसको intraocular lens कहा जाता है या short में IOL कहा जाता है. So during surgery with the help of some laser we liquefy your lens and we put an artificial lens which then looks like this. So in the eye, this is the way it looks in which we have implanted an artificial or lens or IOL. Now depending upon your work profile, your age, your retina status, your systemic status, we discuss before surgery and give you the options about the various lenses available so that together we can decide कि आपके लिए particularly कौन सा lens best है. Now talking about the various types of lenses, there are 3-4 categories of lenses which we usually tell you. So most common one, the one which has been traditionally used, the most conventional and time tested are the monofocal lenses. Monofocal lenses, as the name suggests, it has a single focus. So it can only focus for distance. So it can bring you a very good distance vision. बट एट द सेम टाइम जो आपका पास का विजन है, लाइक रीडिंग जो हम कहते हैं विद इन 35 सेंटीमीटर्स आप जो भी काम करते हैं जिसमें बुक रीडिंग आ गया, न्यूज़पेपर आ गया या फिर आपका मोबाइल फोन आ गया, उसमें यू हैव टू यूज अ रीडिंग ग्लास जिसका पावर यूजुअली हम आफ्टर सर्जरी अराउंड +2.5 या 2.25 का देते हैं. नाउ एज पर विद टाइम देयर हैव बीन एडवांसेस व्हिच हैव कम इन द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ IOL. सो आफ्टर मोनोफोकल IOL द नेक्स्ट लेंस व्हिच हैव बीन mostly used by most of the surgeons is a multifocal lens. Again in the multifocal lens, as the name suggests, इसमें बहुत सारे rings होते हैं and because of these rings the lens is able to focus for distance also, for near also. In the multifocal we can have bifocal or we can have trifocal. So trifocal is the latest edition जिसके अंदर 3 focus होते हैं. So it can focus for distance, for your intermediate vision and for near vision. So it is a very good lens. It gives you a very crisp near vision, just with the explanation that because of the rings that it has. After surgery कुछ लोगों को लाइट के आसपास colored rings, halos या glare दिखते हैं. तो स्पेशली those patients जिनके रेटिना में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, जिनका कंट्रास्ट विजन ऑलरेडी कम है, जैसे डायबिटिक रेटिनोपैथी है, एज रिलेटेड डिजनरेशन है, फ्रीक्वेंट नाइट ड्राइवर्स हैं, लाइक यंग पेशेंट्स हैं जो रात में यूजुअली हाईवे ड्राइव करते हैं, सो हम उनको मल्टीफोकल लेंस यूजुअली नहीं बताते हैं. नाउ लेटेस्ट एडिशन इन द लेंसेज हैव कम अप व्हिच कंबाइंस द एडवांटेज ऑफ मल्टीफोकल एंड मोनोफोकल. लाइक इट गिव्स यू अ नियर विजन बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर आर नो कलर्ड हेलोस और ग्लेयर इज द EDOF lens or extended monofocal lenses. These lenses, they work on the principle that it extends your depth of focus by certain changes in the optics so that it gives you a very good intermediate vision. Like for example in daily routine your intermediate vision, like shopping tags, like cooking, like reading newspapers, these are very important. So you get a good intermediate vision. You might need a minor near number like to the range of 1.5 after surgery, which is only for fine reading, but otherwise it gives you a good range of vision combining the benefits of both multifocal as well as monofocal. So in patients where multifocals are not suitable, we usually advise extended depth of focus, or they are called enhanced monofocals. So, and they work beautifully. They work really well in all the categories of patients, with the explanation that you might need a minor near number which can be around 1.5 or 1.75. Other than these, there are certain lenses जिनको टोरिक लेंस कहा जाता है. टोरिक लेंस मीन्स कि अगर आपके कॉर्निया में प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सिलेंडर है जिसको एस्टिग्मेटिज्म बोलते हैं, जो हम सर्जरी से पहले चेक करते हैं, if it is more than 1 diopter, then we cannot neutralize that cylinder with your routine multifocals or routine monofocals or routine EDOF lenses. There we give you the option of toric lenses. Like in all the categories, we have monofocal toric, we have EDOF toric, and we have multifocal toric. So depending upon your pre-op measurements, your daily profile, your systemic status, like whether you're diabetic or not, and depending upon your expectation and obviously the budget, then we decide that which lens works best for you. In the end, जो लेंस हम एक आई में डालते हैं, वी यूजुअली टेल यू बिफोर सर्जरी ओनली दैट यू हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन, बिकॉज यूजुअली वी प्रेफर कि सेम लेंस हम दूसरी आई में डालें, ओनली देन द ब्रेन हैज टू अडैप्ट एंड देन इट गिव्स यू द बेस्ट रिजल्ट. So I hope through this video I have been able to address most of your concerns regarding the choice of IOL, and maybe together we can give you a best experience for your cataract surgery. Thank you.